Hey guys, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to the channel. 5mm wheel spacer safe for Mercedes front wheels.
$5mm wheel spacers fill the wheel wells nicely without looking overdone. They are not wide enough to affect the bearings. Besides, the weight of a 5mm spacer is almost nothing. Installing quality 5mm wheel spacers is totally safe and harmless.
The lightweight plus of bonus wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively. As long as you use high-quality wheel spacers and install them properly, they are safe. For those car owners who have installed wheel spacers, the length of the factory wheel bolts are not long enough, so we need to use these extended wheel bolts. BONOSS forged extended wheel bolts are made of forged SCM 440 alloy steel, ISO standard grade 12.9. We can see the 12 petal-shaped design on the head of the extended wheel bolts. That's the proof of the super forging process. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.